Hi guys. Today I'll show you an alternative method for activating Adobe programs. The video is for informational purposes only. For the alternative activation programs to work correctly, you must disable your antivirus software during installation. First, go to the Adobe website and download Creative Cloud. I already had everything downloaded, but I'll still do it for you from scratch. We will also need to download more programs for activation. The link will be in the description. After downloading all the programs we need, we'll need to clean up our PC with Adobe's utility. It'll be in the archive we downloaded at the very beginning. The password for the archive is in the description. We choose to clear all. In the next step, we also select Clear All. We agree by pressing Y and wait for the cleaning to complete. Let's proceed to installing Adobe Creative Cloud. You may need to register, or you can sign in with an existing account. I'll speed up the video so it's not too long. After successful installation, we'll need the second program from the archive. If you encounter any errors during installation or launch, you can ignore them. Follow the instructions in the video. Restart Adobe Creative Cloud and download the programs you need. I'll use Photoshop as an example. Let's speed up the video again so we don't test your patience. After installation, we see that we only have a trial. To do this, we'll use the alternative activation method again. Now let's create a shortcut to launch Photoshop. Now let's run it and check if our alternative activation method worked. Everything works great.